Did you know that you can rank a playlist on the first page of YouTube so you can get more views and subscribers? Here's a playlist that ranks on the first page of YouTube for how to translate YouTube videos. Here's the same playlist that ranks for how to transcribe YouTube videos. So I've got a playlist that ranks for 2 different keyword phrases. How'd you do that? In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube playlist so it ranks on the first page of YouTube. I'll also show you some of the best practices I've used so you can rank your own playlists. Hi, my name is Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Log into YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio, click on Playlists. At the top here you can create a new playlist or you can edit a playlist. I'm going to select an existing playlist. Here's the one that's currently ranking on the first page of YouTube. Click Edit Playlist. Click the pencil icon that says Edit. Add the title of your playlist or edit the current title. I've got how to translate or transcribe YouTube videos, so I rank actually for 2 different keyword phrases. Click Save. Now you want to optimize the description. Click Edit. Write a description that summarizes the content of the videos in your playlist and also includes your main keyword phrases. I've got Discover how to translate and transcribe your YouTube videos so you can increase the accessibility of your videos and channel and increase watch time, reach, and engagement. Then click Save. Place your strongest performing video at the top. For instance, this video, how to translate YouTube videos to English or another language, currently ranks on the first page of YouTube. List the other ones in your playlist according to their performance. You can actually move them around by just dragging and dropping the different videos. If you click on the 3 dots, you can add it to a queue. You can save it to watch later, save the video to a playlist, remove it from the playlist, move the video to the top, move the video to the bottom, and set the playlist as a thumbnail. So you can choose any video in the playlist for the thumbnail. For example, if I wish to use this thumbnail for my playlist, then I can click on the 3 dots, click Set as Playlist Thumbnail. And now I've got this video thumbnail as the playlist thumbnail. Here's how to track the performance of your YouTube playlists. Click YouTube Studio, click Analytics, click Reach, scroll down to Traffic Source Playlists. Here you can see the proportion of your total traffic in the last 28 days. So my top playlist is Video Ideas for New YouTubers. It currently ranks 18 on page 1 of YouTube. The second one's how to rank YouTube videos in 2020. The third one, how to grow YouTube channel in 2020. If you want to see more details, click See More. Here I can track the geography, viewer age, viewer gender, revenue, subscription status. Here you can see my top playlist, the number of impressions click-through rate, views, average view duration, and watch time hours. I can also select more metrics by clicking on the plus sign. It says Add Metric to Table. If I click Overview, I can add average percentage viewed. And now I've got average percentage viewed. This is the average percentage of a video your audience watches per view. So it looks like How to Grow YouTube Channel 2020 has the most average percentage viewed.
If you want to increase the probability of your playlists ranking on the first page of YouTube, follow these best practices. Number 1, think of a video series. Instead of thinking about creating a solo video, think about a series of videos based upon a similar topic. If you put these related videos in a playlist, then viewers are more inclined to binge watch your videos. One of the biggest ranking factors for YouTube is watch time. So if you can get people to spend more time on the YouTube platform, then YouTube will promote your videos in the search engines. Instead of a viewer watching one video, they'll watch successive videos in a row.
Here's an example of a playlist that currently ranks number 8 for eco-friendly home products from my buddy Ron.
Number 2, link to a playlist in your cards and end screens. It's hard to go deeper into your topic in one video, so if you link to a playlist, you can get viewers to take a deeper dive into your content. The more engaged your viewers are with your content, the more likely they'll subscribe to your channel. Number 3, keep your playlist short. I usually only put 5 or 10 videos in a playlist because viewers don't tend to watch more than that number of videos in succession. Number 4, share your playlists everywhere. Place your best performing playlist at the top of your channel homepage. For example, I've got a playlist called Best of Drost Video at the top of my channel homepage. It contains some of the best performing videos from my channel. Viewers can quickly see that these are popular videos because they've received thousands of views. Pin a playlist to the top of your comments. When someone goes to leave a comment on your video, they'll be able to click on the playlist to watch more of your content. Add a playlist or several playlists in your description. If I'm inspired about the video I've just watched, I want to check out more videos from that particular creator. Adding a playlist or several playlists in your description satisfies the wishes of your viewers. It also extends the watch time for your channel and your videos. More watch time means that YouTube will promote your content in suggested videos, which appear on the right side of the YouTube watch page. Embed your playlist on your website. Instead of embedding one video, why not embed a playlist so people can binge watch your videos? If you want to know how to stop YouTube's recommendations at the end of an embedded playlist and only show your videos, click the link in the card. Number 5, consistently create new playlists. Did you know that every time you create a new playlist, it creates a new URL? So when you're not publishing a new video, create a new playlist. This sends a signal to YouTube that there's activity on your channel. So if you're only publishing one video a week, you can create a new playlist to show that there's more activity on your channel. I just thought of a question. How are you currently using playlists on the YouTube channel? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. One of the biggest problems for video creators is how to make your YouTube videos searchable. Ideally, you want your video to rank on the first page of YouTube so you can get more views and subscribers. Watch the next video to discover how to make your YouTube videos searchable. You'll learn how to rank your YouTube videos on the first page of YouTube search. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.